Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Grafton is a small rural community in Carleton County, New Brunswick, located along the St. John River just north of Woodstock. It lies beside Route 105 and is surrounded by productive farmland, forests, and gently rolling hills. Although Grafton is home to only a few hundred residents, it has long been an important farming community within the upper St. John River Valley. Its location provides easy access to Woodstock while preserving the slower pace and scenic beauty of rural New Brunswick. The St. John River Valley has been home to the Wolastoqey people for thousands of years. The river served as an important transportation route and provided fishing, fertile land, and access to hunting grounds throughout the region. European settlement expanded during the late 18th century as loyalists and other settlers established farms along the river. Grafton grew gradually during the 19th century as agriculture became the foundation of the local economy. The fertile soil surrounding Grafton has supported farming for generations. Potatoes remain one of the area's most important crops, but local farms also produce grains, hay, dairy products, beef cattle, and vegetables. Carleton County is one of New Brunswick's leading agricultural regions, and farming continues to shape both the landscape and the local economy. Many farms remain family-owned and have been passed from one generation to the next. Forestry is another important industry throughout the region. The forests surrounding Grafton support logging, trucking, sawmills, wood harvesting, and forest management. Grafton is located only a short distance from Woodstock, allowing residents convenient access to shopping, healthcare, schools, restaurants, and community services. This close connection to a larger town allows people to enjoy rural living without being far from everyday necessities. The nearby Trans-Canada Highway also provides easy travel throughout New Brunswick and into neighboring provinces and the United States. Housing in Grafton remains relatively affordable compared with many larger Canadian communities. Average home prices generally range between $250,000 and $350,000 depending on the property's size, condition, location, and amount of land. Larger country homes, farms, or riverfront properties often command higher prices, while many traditional homes remain reasonably priced for families and retirees. Agriculture continues to define much of the area's identity. During harvest season, trucks carrying potatoes and other crops are a common sight on local roads. The success of nearby agricultural businesses, including McCain Foods in Florenceville, Bristol, has strengthened the local economy for decades and provides employment opportunities for many residents throughout Carleton County. Today, Grafton remains a peaceful riverside community where agriculture, forestry, and the St. John River continue to shape everyday life. Thanks for watching!